What happens when you type a website URL? When you type a website URL and hit enter, a lot happens behind the scenes in milliseconds. First, your browser checks its cache. If it doesn't know the IP address, it sends a DNS request to translate the domain name into an IP address. Once it gets the IP, your system starts a TCP three-way handshake, SYN, to establish a reliable connection with the server. If it's HTTPS, a TLS handshake happens next. This is where encryption keys are exchanged to secure the communication. Now your browser sends an HTTP request like GET to the server. That request is broken into small chunks called packets. These packets travel across routers, switches, ISPs, hopping across networks until they reach the server. The server processes the request, sends back an HTTP response, usually HTML, CSS, JavaScript, again in packets. Those packets travel back through the internet to your device. Your browser reassembles them, renders the page, and boom, the website appears on your screen. All of that in under a second. That's the power of packet flow and modern networking.